Okay guys, I'm so excited to do this video. So freaking excited. I literally have no makeup on, but I really just wanted to get this video up. Something came in today and it was a package for me. So obviously you guys can tell by the title what it's going to be. I already opened it, but it is my shoes. My shoes from Mytheresa. That's where I bought the shoes from, and I can't wait to show you guys what they look like because I'm so obsessed with them. I've literally been wanting these shoes forever, and I finally got my hands on them. I was actually looking, just like a little bit of a backstory. I've been obsessing over these shoes forever now, but I saw them on Mytheresa and they were just a little bit cheaper. I know on the Gucci website they are like $730, I believe. Maybe a little bit more, I can't remember, but or was it $780? I can't remember, but I got them on Mytheresa for $670 and that was a steal. So this is how the box came out. They came to me at work. And so I was at work and I had to open them because I was just, like I said, I've been wanting these shoes forever now. I've literally been, I had my eyes on these shoes and they're just like my style. I love them. I love the leather. I love the little GG print and I love the chunky heel. Everything about them was just to die for. So this is how it came. It says Mytheresa. And it was just packaged so beautifully, and then I ruined it. Okay guys, so this is what it looks like. Like I said, I got them from Mytheresa, and you just open it up here. Whoops. And okay, so it was packaged beautifully, but I had to get my hands on them. This just shows like my receipt and stuff, and then here it just says, years I've learned that what is important in a dress is the woman who's wearing it. Yves Saint Laurent, and I love that. That is so true. And then of course, you know, I'm a little corny, so I ended up, you know, gifting myself this, and I put because you deserve it. Because I do deserve it, and it says just for you. So that is my own card. So obviously I can't do this on camera. Oh, and there's also another card here that says thank you, this package has been lovingly wrapped by, and I don't know the name. So that's what that looks like. Here are the shoes. Thumbnail. So they are the Gucci shoe. I got them in a size 38. So freaking obsessed with them. You guys are gonna see. So you open this box up and here comes everything. So you have obviously these little pamphlets from Gucci, and then just this little notice thing from Mytheresa. Comes with 2 dust bags, and these are freaking cute. I love them. They're so adorable. There's 2. They're just so cute. And adorable. They're just so cute. They're definitely going to be a staple in my closet. I can't wait to wear them. This is what they look like. So they have the GG there. They are obviously a black leather sandal, and it says Gucci made in Italy there. They are the perfect size. I love a size that's this tall, and then also it is a chunky heel, so I do really like that. Then it also says Gucci here. I got mine in a size 38 because they did say to, when you get these, to size up, and that's what I ended up doing, and I just love them. I think they're just so pretty. They're definitely going to be worn a lot. I think I'm definitely going to wear them all the time, but that's what they look like, and that's what they look like on the side. And yeah, they're just so perfect. I tried them on at work because I looked at the shoe and I was like, I don't know if this is actually going to fit me because they just looked so tiny. And I had a pair from Gucci before and their sizing is a little interesting. And it was a size 37, but it looked like it was a 7 in like kids. It looked super, super tiny. So I was a little scared to put these on. And I don't know if I'm gonna put them on camera for you guys because I need to go get my toes done. I haven't had them done since everything opened back up, but that's what the bottoms look like. Aren't they just so cute? I'm so, so happy that I got these. Obviously there is an adjustable strap there. The detail on it, it's just so pretty. It says Gucci here, it says Gucci literally everywhere. And I think it is the perfect little heel. So where I work, I love dressing up. I always dress up where I work, and I love dressing up in heels. And so the heels that I wear now look similar to this. It is obviously the black strappy heel with the chunk heel, but they're in suede, and I got them from Target, and of course they were like 30 bucks. So I just thought, like, on like really nice days to wear when I want to dress up, I'm definitely going to wear these Gucci heels because they definitely are a statement. They're definitely going to be my favorite shoe, I believe. I'm definitely going to get my use out of them because they're just so pretty. And obviously I'm going to display the box because the box itself is so pretty, but that is what they look like. I was so excited to get this video out for you guys. I've been waiting forever. I do want to say one thing about Mytheresa. I did not mention this, but I love the website. I really do. One thing I really enjoyed about it was the customer service is amazing. They're definitely very attentive, so I do like that about them. And also, I put my order in Monday, which would have been the 1st. I put my order in Monday, June 1st. And this was at like, it was after 6 p.m. And so I get up the next morning and see that my order's been shipped. So I track it and see when the, you know, estimated delivery date is. And it said Wednesday by 10:30 a.m. I got these at 10 a.m. today. So it is Wednesday, it is 10 a.m. and that's when I got them. And yeah, I was just, I could not wait to get this video up for you guys. Definitely, if you are in the market for like something luxurious, some luxury goods, check out Mytheresa. They have really good deals. I paid $6.70 exactly for these. I did not pay any tax, and I did not pay shipping, and it shipped very quick. So, and yeah, of course they are authentic. So, yeah, if you guys are interested, I will leave Mytheresa down below. I will also leave these down below where you can purchase them. I don't know if the pricing is going to go up because I don't know. So I will link these also down below so you guys can check them out. And yeah, thanks guys so much for watching this video, and please give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in the next video.